How to make a hidden staircase in Minecraft. So first you will need a fake wall besides your real wall right here. So in this wall, we will make the structure of the hidden staircase. So basically just make a stair-like figure structure looking like this. And now you will connect your sticky piston on those blocks. And once it's done, go get your redstone dust and put it behind those sticky pistons, just like so. And now you will need some oak stairs and put it against the sticky piston like this. It should be looking like that. And once that's done, we will now put stairs again on top of the stairs that we made to basically hide them. So it should be looking like this. So just like that. And now I will add some oak planks to just hide the staircase that we had right here. So we'll just fill in the gaps just like so. And now once that's done, as you can see right here, you'll just need to connect the redstone dust right there and just put our lever on that particular block where we connected the redstone dust. And now once I open it, as you can see, the hidden staircase will reveal. And that's how you basically make a hidden staircase in Minecraft.